2006 Chevrolet Avalanche, and it's a four-wheel drive. With a 5.3 liter Vortec V8 engine. It's got the factory 17-inch alloy wheels. And it has the Michelin tires all the way around. It has the tinted privacy glass in the rear. It has the trailer tow package. And it has power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power driver seat. It has the flip up middle seat center console. It has an automatic transmission. It's got the factory CD player. It has dual climate control and air conditioning. It has the trailer tow haul button, cruise control, push button, four-wheel drive. And for mileage, it has 166,677 kilometers. It's got all the steering wheel controls for the stereo as well. Factory keyless entry remote. Inside out, it's in good condition. And you can view the Chevrolet Avalanche 4x4 at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couch and Lake Road in Duncan.